Hello guys, in this video I am simply going to wash the E46. It is raining quite a lot actually, but I'm going to wash it and then I'm going to prepare the paint for winter. I'm going to put some coating on it. I'm going to meet a friend of mine and we're gonna wash our cars and coat them together. So this will be a nice day. And maybe you guys can pick up a tip or two about how to coat your car as well. So I will show you a little bit how you do it, and yeah, let's I have not done this before myself, but my buddy has done it a lot, so he will have to teach me how I do it, and then I will teach it to you guys. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, we're gonna wash our cars and then we're gonna put some coating on it so the water will peel right off. So you see right here on the hood, it is terrible. The water is just it's laying on the paint, and we will like that to peel off. So first wash and then coat afterwards. So let's begin. Shitty! Look at this very shitty color behind here. It's not me. It was like this when I bought it. Let's try fixing it. Okay, it's better than it was. I have wet sanded and I have taken polished with this 3000 diamond cut, and then afterward this 9000. So it's better than it was, but still it could be a little bit better, but it is a lot better than it was. You can see on the reflection of my hand right here. You see here, it's not that good. And then it's better. Not that good right here. Here it's okay again. Here it's okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. This area is really bad. Okay, now we're done with the washing, drying, and we did a little bit of polish right there. Now it's now we're going to start with the coating, and we're using these. Okay, so this is pretty simple. You just take this and you take some Fusso and you apply it all over the car, and then you wipe it off after around 5 minutes, and it's coated. Quite simple, and Fusso is also very cheap, and it's a good product actually. To be honest, I don't quite know if this works on the windows, but I'm applying it anyways. Why not? the car is done, I have taken Fusso on all of the car and I have dried it off with a cloth, and so yeah, that took about 20 minutes. So now the whole car is coated. So it will be very interesting to see when we put some water on the car now to see if it will peel off or not. Hopefully it will. Okay, both cars are coated. Let's see if there is any difference. Ah! Oh yeah, a lot better. So look at this. This is before and this is after. Okay, I find some tire shine, so let's test it. Oh yeah, the power of Fusso. Now we're done. The car is coated, and it will be a lot easier to wash this when it is winter and there is salt on the road, and when the car gets dirtier faster. So now it will be a lot easier to wash it, and that's really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Maybe you will also protect your car more for the winter, and maybe follow my recommendation on Fusso. That's a really good and cheap product. So yeah, have a nice day, and I will see you later. Goodbye. Look at the power, look at the drops, look at the water. Oh yeah, that's the power of Fusso. The water is just peeling right off the windows. So that means that Fusso works on windows as well. We like that.